like a nice little intro. See if we had our outro music, that would have been when we would have played it. Okay, we did numbers 1, 2, 3, and 7? 9. Here, number 1 was 6, -6. Are we good with that one?
Yeah.
Okay, number 2 was 7, -1. Still good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
3 was 10, -1.
Yep.
Okay? And then 9, I would have multiplied 9, the top equation, by 2. That gave me 10x plus 2y equals positive 18. Then I subtract. I should have gotten 1, 4.
Yep.
Do we need to see that one, or are we good?
We're good.
Okay, so today we learned how to multiply yesterday, but let's say what happens. So we're still solving by elimination. We have 3x plus 4y equals 9. We have 5x minus 3y equals 2. Okay, so can we eliminate either of these? Can we eliminate the x's?
No.
No. Can we eliminate the y's?
No.
No. So now we look and say, can we multiply 3 to give me 5?
No.
No, so we always use a smaller number. Can I multiply 3 to give me 4?
No.
Oh, well, crap. So we can't just multiply one equation. So we have to multiply
Both of them.
both. So we're going to multiply this equation by something and this equation by something. This is where you get to choose. Do you want to solve for the x's or the y's? If I say the y's, I always look for my two smaller numbers. 3 and 5 are pretty small, but 3 and 4 are smaller. So here's what I'm going to do. Just like the denominators with fractions where you multiply by the opposite, you know what I'm talking about? To get the denominators to be the same, we're going to multiply by the opposite numbers. So this one will get multiplied by 3 because my y will be 12. This one will get multiplied by 4 because my y will be 12. So 3 times 3x. So here we go. So now we're changing the problem. So now we have 9x because we're distributing. Bop, bop, bop. That gives me 9x plus 12y equals 27. Multiply, multiply, multiply. Gives me 20x minus 12y equals 8. Do we have something we can eliminate now?
Yes.
What?
12 what?
The y's. Are they different signs or same signs?
Different.
Different, which means we add. When they are different, we add. 9 plus 20 is 29x. That's 0 equals 27 plus 8 is 35. Okay, sorry, Lucy, we're getting nasty fractions. So I divide both sides by 29. That gives me x equals, and that cannot be simplified, 35/29. There's my x. Have I lost anybody?
Mm-hmm.
So then we choose one of our original equations. It does not matter. 5, 3, and 2 are smaller than 3, 4, and the 9. I just don't want to deal with the 9. So I'm going to use this one. So now I have 5 times 35/29. Why? Because my x is 35/29 minus 3y equals 2. Let's get a calculator. I'm getting my big calculator.
Oh, gracious.
I knock over all of my markers. It's a good thing Lucy's not here. She would probably say something snarky, Lucy, Miss Richards. So now we've got 5 times 35 divided by 29. Math, enter gives me 175/29 minus 3y equals 2. So now I'm subtracting 175/29 from both sides. That equals 0, so now I have negative 3y equals. And I do 2 minus 175 divided by 29, enter, math, enter, and I get negative 117/29. I divide by a negative 3. I can divide by a negative 3 because our calculators do that. That gives me y equaling 39/29. Am I done?
No.
No, because
Have to put it in order pair.
the answer is an ordered pair. And yes, these are messy. I know, because it's a fraction. But the key is nothing other than this part here. If you can't make one equation to match up, then you have to multiply both. What do you multiply by? Well, if I chose the y, I multiply by the opposite number. If I chose the x's, I would multiply this by 3 and this one by 5. Okay? You could choose x and y's. So here's what we're doing today. Tomorrow will be a whole review. And what did we say it was going to be? A test. You're going to be tested on graphing. You're going to be tested on substitution. You're going to be tested on elimination. Maybe 3 problems each, because these take a little bit. So you did 1, 2, 3, and 9. Here's the only ones that I don't want you to do. 22. You can work on any of the others besides 22. You don't need to worry about 23 and 24 either. So don't do anything past 21. So you can work up through 21. The answer key will be here. Okay? And I'll at least show it online. So Lucy, I'll show this. You should work on some of these. So here's the answer key for 1 through 7. 1 through 8. There's the others. Okay, so you have a test on Thursday. I am not here on Thursday. I will be at my service day. Okay, so you'll have very specific directions, which will say use your notes, use your calculators, good luck. Make sure that if you need a ruler, it's in my closet, it's on the top shelf, but you can use the edge of a notebook, anything like that for the graphing. Are there questions on how to solve by elimination? Do we need to see any others? Go ahead and get started. You can work together. I can help you, but let's go.